All right, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you the different types of privacy vinyl fence that we offer. So let's start with the most common, which this is considered the Georgetown or completely solid. Okay. And as you can see, it comes in four. This is 4 foot height. They also have 5 foot and 6 foot. The most common is 6 foot. Here is the lattice version. So there's basically two types of lattice. Typically, this is the only one we can get in, and then periodically we can get more of the square style. So instead of being diamonds, it's more, turned a little bit more of an angle, so it'll be a square top instead. And then more Georgetown. This is pretty typical. Okay. And then the other styles, let's go through the last few to give you more of an idea. But yeah, this is all 6 foot Georgetown. Okay. All right, and then down here, let's open this up. So this is a little bit different. So this is called the Brandywine scalped version. So you can basically see in here, especially on the gate, you can see, let's zoom in a little bit. So you can see here where you have the pickets, but they will actually scalp in the center, and you'll see the same thing with the panels as well. Okay, and then let's go into this. Now this style is called the Chestertown, so the same thing. It's about 5 foot, or this is 6 foot total. So basically, the bottom 5 feet is going to be your solid privacy, and then the top foot is going to have these spindles, and then basically a bar at the top. Okay, here's another picture of that, and then here's another example. Now, here's a good example of like what happens when there's slopes. So you can see here, the ground is much higher towards the house than it is over here. And so basically you have options where you can keep everything level across the top, pretty much how the customer wanted it, or you can basically slope everything down. But some people prefer just to see it straight across the top. And then final, we only have one picture of this. We really don't do this too often, but this is the Chestertown as well. But this time, this has the aluminum spindles instead. So it's we personally really like it. We like how the white and the black kind of mix together. But like I said, we don't have too many pictures just because we don't do this that often. But those are your main styles of privacy fence for vinyl.